Hey! We got no view! Damn it! I can't believe I'm going over the Hoover Dam! Wow, it's windy as hell. What? That was that easy? I gotta turn around now. The second world's tallest bridge. I couldn't even see the damn thing. Damn it. Well, that was much easier than taking the damn Hoover Dam. Yeah. Kingman, Las Vegas, Hoover Dam. Wow, 5 years ago, I can't believe it, 5 years ago. Tallest bridge in the United States, and I can't even access. Oh, it's 105 degrees. Yeah, well, duh. Yeah, what do you expect with the crosswinds? It's tallest bridge. It's crazy. Woo-wee! Got warm. Oh, well, duh. What do you expect? How do I get to the Hoover Dam? So I can go look at underneath the bridge instead of just going over it. No stopping, no parking, no pedestrians. Shut up. How the hell did you get right there? A long way down right now, I know that for sure. Damn, dude. So how do you get up there? Huh? Where's the goddamn Hoover Dam? La 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 la. Oh God! Really? Handheld use of cell phone prohibited. Oh boy, no, not good. La 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 la. La 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 la. this crosswind though. Damn, that crosswind though. Jesus. Hoover Dam, 172. They used to take you to the 93. Holy shit. Damn. Those guys are from New Mexico. Divided highway ends. One. No. Shut up. Okay, I'm trying to record a video here. Thank you. Oh, it's only 104 degrees. That's not too bad. Nah. Got a long way to drive though. For sure. Long way to drive, y'all. For sure. Which way? Okay. Yeah, 2015 Hoover. I haven't been to the Hoover Dam since they opened that bridge.